Hey, this is Kimberly with R&R Sales, home of the guaranteed credit approval with 2 locations to serve you. Come on down and let us put you into a newer used vehicle. Take a look at the 2004 Ford F550. It's a utility truck. Certified pre-owned, has gone through a 115-point safety inspection and comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. It's turbo diesel, automatic transmission, AM/FM stereo, set up with trailer brakes. You have a little bit of cargo space behind the seat and a lot of space in the utility boxes. Multiple boxes with multiple shelf options. Also has a vise on each end of the bumper, and has the lumber rack and the headache rack. It is a dually. R&R Sales Incorporated is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending and can offer low interest rates and reasonable payments to well-qualified buyers. We also have guaranteed credit approval for any credit situation. So if we can't get you guaranteed credit approval, we'll buy you a steak or vegetarian dinner. R&R Sales Incorporated has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so buy with confidence. See this vehicle and hundreds more at www.yeswecanauto.com or call toll-free 877-857-CARS to speak with one of our low-pressure sales staff.